Hello and welcome to Study Academy. So today we are going to discuss examination feature and main research feature. So let's see examination feature first. So click on examination feature. You can see a module exam group, exam schedule, exam result, exam admit card, print admit card, design mark sheet, print mark sheet, and mark grade. Okay. So in exam group, what actually exam group is? So let's see what is in exam group. So click on exam group. You can see the display of exam group like add exam group. You can see here add exam group. So you can add exam group from here. So what will be the exam group like first terminal, second terminal, third terminal? Yeah, that will be the exam group. So right here first, second, third, fourth terminal of the schools. And then what types of exam is that general purpose exam or school based grading exam or college based or GPA grading system exam. So write the exam type according to your school. So write you can write here a date, start date, and you can write here in date and write a descriptions. If you want to give some description to these friends or teachers, you can write here. So this is all about exam group. So let's see exam schedule. So how to make exam schedule? So see here, you can see exam group and exam. So first I'll select first terminal from the exam group, and then I'll select exam is like terminal exam. Okay, and then I'll search it. So you can see this is the schedule of the exam which I have made in past. So English, Nepali, Math, Optional Science, Social, SP, and Computer. These are the subjects which I have made in past for the demo. So you can make an exam schedule like this. So let's see exam results. So after exam you have to publish exam results. So let's see exam results. So exam result is according to exam group. So let's say terminal first exam. Okay, and then let's say terminal exam first sessional sessions will be 2022 to 2. And then let's see which class result you want to publish or you want to see, like your I'll search nursery. Okay, let's take nursery. Which section will be A. Okay, and then I'll click on search. So you can see this is the result of nursery section A first terminal exam. Okay, you can have a look. So this will be the exam result. Okay, so after exam result you can design admit card for the exam. Like let's see. So let's see what will be the template. So write a template here, heading here, so title here, exam name here. I'll show you by giving one example. Let's edit this. Okay, so okay, you can see template will be the testing admit card, heading will be the Stray Academy Nagpur Dansa. Okay, and title will be exam school examination exam, that is monthly exam. You can write according to your schools. A school's name will be as Stray Academy, or write your own school. And exam center will be on center which is in the schools. Okay, if you want to add footer text you can add footer text. If you add a logo you can add logo, write logo. And if you want to add sign then you can add a sign of principal, founder, or anyone else. And if you want to add a background then you can add a background. And what sorts of thing you want to show, like first name, that should be on. And then father name, if you want to show father name then you have to do on, or otherwise keep it off. Mother name should be according to your choice. Date of birth you can look at, do it according to you. So this will be the template of the admit card. So I'll show you one template. So you can see this is the template of admit card, okay, which I have made in past. Okay, so you can make a template like this. So let's see a print admit card module. So click on the print admit card module. So let's select exam group, that is will be a first terminal, exam will be a terminal, sessions will be a 2022 to 2. Nursery class and sections will be one. Admit card template will be what? Testing admit card or exact terminal examination. Okay, so you can make admit card template will from here. Okay, design admit card which I shown previously. So click on search button. Okay, which student admit card you want to design or print? So select student. Okay, so I'll select, okay, select ratio and then I'll select generate. So see, yeah, this is the admit card of the student according to their subjects. Okay, and practical paper code subject and opted by student. Okay, you can see here, this will be the print. If you want to print, then print it from here. Okay, so now let's see design mark sheet. Okay, so after examination you have to design a mark sheet. So let's see what this will be the template of mark sheet. If you want to write template will be a test mark sheet. Okay, heading will be a write your school's name or examinations name. Title will be the higher secondary examinations or write according to your, and exam name will be what sorts of exam is this, like school examinations or any examinations, SSCB examinations. So what sorts of examinations are you taking up? So you can write a exam name, write a school's name in here. Exam center, you can write exam center. If you want to write a body text, then you can write here. Footer text you can write from here, and printing date you can write a printing date here. If you want to add logo, sign or background image, then you can add from here. Okay, then if you want to publish these all things, then you keep it on, otherwise make it off according to your choice. Yeah, so this is the mark sheet, how to make a mark sheet. Okay, you can design a mark sheet from here. Let's take an example, like, okay, so yeah, this will be the template. Okay, if you make like that, then this type of template will be generated. Okay, and then after that let's print mark sheet. So which mark sheet, which select terminal, select exam terminal. Okay, sessions will be 200. Which class mark sheet you want to print? Then I'll print nursery. Section A mark sheet template will be which mark sheet? Okay, I'll select simple mark sheet. Okay, search. Okay, this is the list of the student. Okay, I'll select student ratio and then I'll generate it. Okay, you can have a look. This is the mark sheet. You can print from here like this. This is the template. Okay. Okay, then if you want to print it out, you can print it out, otherwise cancel it. Okay, you can design a mark sheet from here and then mark grade. If you want to grade, that is like A plus, B plus, C plus, D, then you can assign from here or add from here. Okay, and then you can assign to the student if there is a grading system in your schools. Yeah, this is all about the examinations. So we'll see a human resource in the next video. So for today, now bye bye, take care.